Raise them as the lights went black.
Hey guys, so it's already 2 p.m. and we're done here sa Hallstatt. Going back na to Salzburg. So we're just waiting for our driver. Sobrang ganda ng view ko, 'di ba? Siguro mas maganda to kapag winter. Kasi medyo mainit yung sun. As in, feel ko na-burn na talaga yung shoulders ko. But the view is worth it. So guys, di pa pala kami uuwi. Andito kami ngayon sa Rosewood. We might have drinks and stuff. Kasi actually, maaga pa para umuwi. At punta ng Innsbruck and then back to Salzburg. So, yun yung plan namin today. Tapos guys, malamig pala dito sa Vattens. Hindi kami ready. Actually, ang ready lang is yung nanay ko. Talagang nagdala siya ng jacket, ng shawl, para lang daw sure. So, grabe, ang galing mo ma, thanks. Kasi makakahiram ako sa kanya ng shawl. Kasi guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. Pang summer talaga. Akala ko parang Vienna, Salzburg lang. Pero dito mas malamig pala. So, here's my outfit. O, kita niya na, 'di ba? Parang ano ba? Pero, I love the cold weather kasi kaya it doesn't really bother me. But yan, my top is from Massimo, skirt is from Zara, same heels from Zara, and then I just put a pin na gold here kasi medyo mahaba tong tank top sa akin.